Namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. By now, I know you already know why our Surabhi ma'am is here. Yes, firstly, happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day, and you all must be knowing the journey. You have to know. So the journey from British rule to the independence, and so what are the struggles? So our freedom fighters and even the common people had to go through, and the number of lives which were lost to get us the freedom. And today is the day where we pay respect. We have to be thankful each and every day, but today every Indian comes together and we pay respect to the freedom fighters, and we feel thankful that we are independent and we have freedom. But till today also there are a few issues, and it has to be resolved. So maybe when it comes to the equality, the feminism, and the women's security, the religious disputes. So yes, of course, it's not a perfect country, but it's our country, uh, which I'll be always proud of. I'm always proud to be an Indian. And I can't stand when someone says that, Arey, what is this? Where is this country heading to and all that? Come on, it's us who make this country, right? So you start doing something for the country. So most of the people just talk, but I want you to do something for the country. So let me know in the comment section. So what are your plans? How are you planning to contribute to the country? And if you ask me, I'm a proud citizen. I try to follow all the rules and the fundamental duties which I have to do as a citizen, as an Indian. And I'm teaching you guys who one day will be proud citizens, who will be working for the country. So I am actually proud of it, that I have a part, I have a very small part in making the future citizens. That is it, but I want to do a lot for the country. And coming to the celebrations, okay, I know this time you're not supposed to go out, otherwise all these celebrations where you have to wear your uniforms and attend the flag hoisting, I have the same memories. So we had to get up early. I don't like it. So that was one thing which I really don't like. I still don't. I'm not a morning person. No. I can work whole night, I can study whole night, but not in the morning. But it is very good to get up early in the morning. I would want you to, but I can't do it. Okay, so then those days the flag hoisting would be around 7:15, so we have to be in the school before 7. So our parents used to wake up, and with our still sleepy, we used to just get ready, wear our white uniform, white shoes. I had this boycott, so I didn't have to put pony or the plates and all that. It was easy for my mom. So we used to come to the school and there flag hoisting and then speeches. You guys listen to the speeches? So most of the time I never used to. Then, but there used to be few people who would make it really interesting. Who will add this interactive session that I really used to enjoy. Then they would distribute sweets or chocolates. It used to be different every year. And then after that we had to go once, so marching would be there, and sometimes there would be this inter-school competitions also. And once what happened, I don't know, maybe who can have breakfast around 6:45, 6:50. So we were walking, holding these placards and all that, and my dad came suddenly, and then he picked us up, me and my sister, and then he took us to a restaurant. We had a breakfast there and dropped us back, okay, and no one knew about it. He wanted to make sure that we were not starving, because it consumes a lot of energy. You had to walk at least like 2 to 3 kilometers. Okay, you have to start from the school and then go around the whole town and back to the school. Then only you can disperse. Otherwise, you can't just escape in the middle. No, but we have tried that too. So I have few such really sweet memories. And so every year I used to be a part of one or the other. You know, one year band set, and the next year the marching. You know, I one year I had represented the school. You know, we even got second prize. That was the first time. I don't remember what we got as the prize, but so the senior who had trained us, he had given me 5 rupees because I had really done a good job. Okay, and that was my first cash prize. And I took my friends and we had golgappa then. I still remember. So these are the few really sweet memories I have related to the celebrations, Independence Day celebration. And after the celebration, of course, going back to school, and then you know there was only one channel, DD National. That's it. Okay, so there would be some nice programs related to India or the flag hoisting, and few movies, um, so patriotic movies. So we used to watch that, and that's how we used to spend our Independence Day or the Republic Day. And coming to the movies and songs, I really like patriotic songs. Okay, especially the one which Lata Mangeshkar ji has sung, "ए मेरे वतन के लोगों." I used to sing this every year. So we used to have this competitions, patriotic song and all that. I used to sing the same song every year because I love it, and my everyone used to say that, you know. So you get tears when you listen to this song, and that's completely true. And the one more favorite song is Chak De India. Oh my god, that movie is really good. And the acting or this music. So after this movie, I guess they used to play this during every cricket match. So 2011 World Cup, oh, yeah. So goosebumps. So these are the few things which I really enjoy. But nowadays, as we have as we are adults, the first thing that comes to my mind is, oh, independence, oh, it's a holiday, I can sleep all day. That is the first thing. But today I wanted to talk to you guys about how I used to celebrate my Independence Day. And please let me know what are your memories and how you used to celebrate, and have you done anything to the country, and what are your plans? How do you like to contribute to the country? Please let me know in the comment section. I am very curious to know your stories. Please do everyone participate, because that's the only way I can know what is happening with your life, right? So I though can come sit here and talk for hours, but you guys can only comment, please. So please let me know in the comment section. So what are you guys doing today, and do you guys miss school? So what is your sweet memory, or do you have any bad memories related to the celebration? Also, please let me know in the comment section. And as it is Independence Day, we had to do something also. See, first thing what I would like to say is education. Education is really important. So whatever you want to do, you have to be like, of course, so education is really important. That is the first priority. Okay, education and health. So, and through this platform, the Vedanta wants to make sure that every student is getting a very, 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 very good education. And even during this pandemic, we don't want the learning to stop. And we have something for you guys because of the Independence Day. So if you want to get this pro subscription, so we have 50% offer because of the Independence Day. So all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro, and do not forget to use the coupon code SURPRO. It is SURPRO, so that you will be getting 50% offer. This is only, it will be valid only till 16th, that is tomorrow. So it is the right time to be a part of the family, and let's all work together for a better country, and let's be better humans. Because in this channel, as I've already mentioned it, we not only we don't want you just to score 100 marks in chemistry, but we want you to learn lot other things also. So that is the reason we have different series. The amazing facts one, where we are trying to find out why is it happening. And so Sundays ko we come up with some topics like the mental health, the importance of mental health, and the Beirut explosion, and some motivational videos which will really help you. It does, right? So please let me know. And so this is what we want to bring through our channel. I really hope you find it helpful. And if you have any suggestions or any ideas what we can do in this channel, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Till now it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Have a good day. Sit and think about country. Pay respect to all the freedom fighters and all the people who have suffered, and even think about what you can contribute to the country. And please write it in the comment section also, so that even I can know what are your thoughts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.